Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about one of the most essential ingredients for success: studying hard. Education is the key to unlocking the doors of opportunity, and it all begins with your commitment to learning. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. This quote by Malcolm X reminds us that our actions in the present lay the foundation for our future. And studying hard is a crucial part of that preparation. Studying hard isn't just about getting good grades or passing exams. It's about investing in yourself, your growth, and your future. It's about nurturing your intellect, sharpening your skills, and expanding your horizons. When you study hard, you're not just accumulating knowledge. You're building a powerful arsenal that will serve you throughout your life. Think about the great minds of our time, the visionaries who have shaped our world. From Albert Einstein to Marie Curie, from Mahatma Gandhi to Nelson Mandela, these individuals didn't achieve greatness by chance. They studied hard, relentlessly pursued their goals, and used their knowledge to make a difference in the world. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs understood the power of passion and dedication. When you're passionate about your studies, it becomes more than a chore. It becomes a labor of love. And that love for learning can lead to remarkable achievements. Studying hard doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your happiness or well-being. It's about finding a balance between your academic pursuits and your personal life. When you're committed to your studies, you'll discover that you're capable of far more than you ever imagined. It's important to remember that every great journey begins with a single step. So, start with small, manageable goals. Set aside dedicated time for your studies, create a study plan, and stick to it. Consistency is key. Just like a drop of water can hollow out a rock with persistence, your consistent efforts in studying will lead to significant achievements. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. The reality is that raw talent alone won't guarantee success. It's the combination of talent and hard work that creates true excellence. And even if you don't consider yourself exceptionally talented in a particular subject, your dedication and hard work can bridge that gap. Studying hard is not just about academic subjects. It's about life skills and personal development as well. The ability to learn, adapt, and think critically is invaluable in today's fast-paced world. The skills you acquire through studying hard will not only help you succeed academically, but also in your career and personal life. Imagine you're faced with a complex problem at work or in your personal life. Your ability to analyze the situation, think critically, and come up with creative solutions is a direct result of your dedication to studying hard. Your knowledge and skills become your superpower. The expert in anything was once a beginner. Remember, even the most accomplished individuals started from scratch. They were once students like you, working diligently to master their craft. It's your effort, your curiosity, and your persistence that will ultimately lead to expertise. I understand that the path of studying hard can be challenging. There will be moments when you feel overwhelmed, moments when you doubt your abilities, and moments when you question if it's all worth it. But I want to remind you of something crucial. Every great accomplishment was once considered impossible. Think about the breakthroughs in science, the masterpieces in art, and the innovations in technology. They were all thought to be unattainable until someone dared to study hard, to push the boundaries of knowledge, and to make the impossible possible. The only limit to the human mind is the sky. There are no ceilings, no boundaries, and no constraints to your potential. The more you study, the more you expand your horizons. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Studying hard is not just about personal success, it's about making a positive impact on the world. The knowledge and skills you acquire can be a force for good. They can be used to solve problems, contribute to your community, and create a brighter future for all. Think about the doctors, scientists, and educators who are working tirelessly to improve healthcare, find cures, and nurture the next generation. Their dedication to studying hard is not just a personal achievement, it's a service to humanity. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. These words from Nelson Mandela emphasize the profound impact that knowledge can have on the world. Your education is a tool for transformation, a catalyst for change, and a beacon of hope. So I implore you, study hard, not just for your own benefit, but for the benefit of all. Your education is a gift, and with it, you have the power to shape your destiny and the destiny of the world. Before ending this video, I want to leave you with this thought. The pursuit of knowledge is a noble journey. It's a journey that requires dedication, resilience, and a belief in your own potential. You have the ability to achieve greatness through your commitment to studying hard. Remember, your hard work today is an investment in your future. Keep studying, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. The world is waiting for your brilliance to shine.